Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can close your user account on Figma permanently and for good. So let us get started right away. Head over to figma.com and log into your account, and here in your overview guys, click into your username in the top left corner, and after that click into settings here. And here inside your account settings, scroll down to the very bottom till you get to this section here, account. So let me zoom in a bit. There we go. And after that, click into delete account below and confirm that by clicking into delete account here. Before you do that though, guys, you will be asked by Figma to confirm your decision by typing in that command here, delete my account, into that field. As you can see, I can't even copy or paste it. You will need to type it in manually here. That way, Figma want to make sure that it is really you as a human user trying to delete your account and not any bot, for example. So that's how you do it, guys. Now I want to keep my account, so I'm going to click on cancel here, but that's how you close your account on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.